To me, the most valuable aspect of the sniff test is a very quick pattern recognition tool. Um, and so I like to use the sniff test for a few like basic things, right? It's like if I don't know anything about this idea, right? I can see how big it is, how liquid it is, what the balance sheet is, what's been happening to revenue growth, profit growth, the general trajectory of fundamentals, estimates, and valuation. So that's just like a quick check-in. People will do that on Bloomberg, but you kind of have to hit 6, 7 keys on Bloomberg. And I'm a FactSet subscriber trying to save money, so it's just slow and annoying. So I'd much rather just drop a ticker in and take a look at it. So I can see like the basics in just a couple minutes. Really, then what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out, is there anything that looks funky here, any sort of anomalous situations? And I'm really trying to pattern match, Michael, to the types of ideas I like to look at, right? So is this a high free cash flow margin story? And maybe I've kind of generated a top-down thesis that, quality stocks have been killed, like they were in the summer 22. Maybe I want to go find upgrade the quality in my portfolio and look for high free cash margin stocks. So I can see right away, does that pattern match with my idea generation process? Are there things like, hey, has there been a steady, consistent 50% incremental margin in the last 5 years? And the street's only expecting 30. It's like ding, ding, ding. There's a decent chance I can go kind of vet that, and there might be a margin story. Maybe the business has been showing 12% organic growth, and for some reason the market's only modeling 8%. So I'm like, all right, maybe they're fading revenue growth just by doing the lazy things that the sell side does, and I can go kind of understand that. So I'm looking for kind of signals um, out of consensus that I might be able to shoot against to identify a potentially interesting name, as well as just trying to kind of get up to speed quickly. So again, it depends on my strategy. But if I'm looking at a bunch of ideas, I want to go through a bunch of these very, 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 very quickly to try and minimize my wasted motion on idea generation.